Now we're going to talk about the rules of reading in English. So this topic is very important because English spelling and pronunciation are often different. English has 26 letters, but it has 44 different sounds, so that means one letter can have several pronunciations. For example, the letter A sounds different in cat, cake, father, and water. And if we know the reading rules, we can guess the pronunciation of new word. And the fact that English borrowed heavily from French and German, so many important words retain the original foreign spelling, but completely changed their pronunciation over time. So let's talk about 3 pillars of pronunciation: closed syllable, open syllable, and R-controlled syllable. First, closed syllable. And a closed syllable ends with a consonant. The vowel is usually short. So for example, man, mask. So the vowel stands between 2 consonants or just before consonant. So here is short sounds breakdown. You can see a table of how you should pronounce the sound, pronounce the letters, vowels. So for example, letter A in closed syllable, we pronounce it as a, bag, man, mask. Then letter E sound a. For example, get, pet. Letter I and Y and sound E. For example, fit, gym. Then letter O sound O, not. Letter U and sound A. Fun, but, and bus. An open syllable ends with a vowel. The vowel is usually long. For example, he, go, my. So also the magic E. The final E is not pronounced, but it changed the vowel sound from short to long. This is one of the most common reading rules in English. For example, the word cap. If you add letter E at the end, silent E, it would be cape. So cap, from cap to cape. Then from kit to kite. From hop to hope. You should pronounce vowels in open syllable just like in the alphabet. For example, letter A, sound A. For example, fame. Letter E, sound E. He, meter. Letter I and Y, sound I. My, by, file. Letter O, sound O. Hope, no, and note. And letter U, sound U, and the word tube. An R-controlled syllable is a syllable where a vowel is followed by the letter R. So the letter R changes the sound of a vowel, so it doesn't make it usual short or long sound. For example, E plus R, I plus R, and U plus R gives the sound For example, girl, bird, turn. Then O plus R gives us long O. For example, in the word fork. Then A plus R gives us long A, as in the word car. Phonetics is like map. If you follow the reading rules, you can read new words more accurately and speak English more confidently.